Good afternoon. So I've got some of the pieces of this engine here. All parts have been cleaned, all bearings have been purchased, bought, and installed. So in this timing case I've got this bearing here installed, this bearing installed. We'll see how they spin here in a moment. In the crankcase I've got this bearing installed with the C-clip and the front housing. New bearings installed here also. So I'm going to begin the reassembly here, and I'm going to start with this timing disc. I've got it kind of mocked up here. I'm probably going to not talk much and just work on reassembling this engine. So I'm putting it on mute. Not really. So this was in here like this, and here I go, start rambling on again. I think some people might be interested in how some of this goes together. There's a washer in here. Now it's going to go in here like this, and like I showed in the last video, there's a cutout that this fits into. So the first thing I need to do is on this side, push this gear in here. And then drop this in place and feel for that cutout, or just do it like this.